Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to deposit cash into your Monzo account but couldn't figure out how? It's a common question, and today, we're going to answer it definitively. Context: Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app, fee-free spending, and innovative features. But when it comes to cash, things can get a bit tricky. Let's dive into the details and find out if you can actually deposit cash into your Monzo account. The short answer: no. While Monzo is a fantastic bank for many things, cash deposits are not one of them. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches, Monzo is a fully digital bank. This means there are no ATMs or branches where you can physically deposit cash. Why can't I deposit cash into Monzo? The reason behind this is simple: Monzo is designed to be a cashless bank. The founders envisioned the future where most transactions would be digital, and they built Monzo to reflect that vision. While cash is still a reality, Monzo is focused on providing a seamless digital experience. Alternatives to cash deposits. If you're unable to deposit cash directly into your Monzo account, don't worry. There are several alternatives you can consider. ATM deposits. Many ATMs, especially those affiliated with larger banks, allow you to deposit cash into accounts from other banks. You can simply use the ATM's cash deposit function and enter your Monzo account details. Bank transfers. If you have another bank account, you can transfer funds from that account to your Monzo account. Most banks offer online or mobile banking options that make this process easy. Cashback apps. Some cashback apps allow you to deposit cash into your linked bank accounts, including Monzo. These apps often have physical locations where you can deposit cash. Payday loans. In some cases, if you're facing a financial emergency and need cash immediately, you might consider a payday loan. However, it's important to be aware of the high interest rates associated with payday loans and use them only as a last resort. The future of cash and digital banking. As technology continues to advance, it's likely that we'll see a further shift towards cashless transactions. This means that digital banks like Monzo may become even more popular and accessible. However, it's important to remember that cash still has its place in society, especially for those who may not have access to digital payment methods. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, no, Monzo does not accept cash deposits. While this may be a limitation for some users, there are several alternative methods for depositing cash into your Monzo account. As digital banking continues to evolve, it's worth exploring the different options available to you. Call to action. If you have any other questions about Monzo or digital banking in general, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to provide you with the information you need. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.